it's not losing the weight that's the hard thing. It's keeping the weight off. For a lot of people, they can drop the pounds, but they just can't keep it off. Hey, everybody, I'm Brian, founder of FatLossAfter40.com. And today I want to talk about keeping the weight off, because I don't know about you, but I know that it's been easier in the past sometimes to lose the weight. But doesn't it seem like when you lose the weight, it comes back a lot easier than it was to take it off? And doesn't it seem like it comes back with a vengeance? It comes back with ugly teeth, because it's harder to lose the second time, the third time, the fourth time, and so on and so forth. And there's a reason for that, because each time you do that, that slows your metabolism down even further. So the number one goal is to repair and reset your sluggish metabolism if you want to lose weight, drop fat, and drop inches. And when I say this, I want you to focus on avoiding two things. There's two reasons why people lose weight and they fail to keep it off, and both of those are completely avoidable. So stay away from these two things. Number one is they don't learn the habits to keep the weight off. Now the weight will come, they'll see a little bit of success, but then they don't develop the routine, the ritual of working out, because we all know that consistency is key. You just can't go hard for 6 weeks and then give up and then think the weight's going to stay up. I always say that fitness and fat loss is like a marriage. You don't ever just get to a happy marriage and then just like, okay, I guess that's it, I can go do my own thing. Or you never get to a place that like is always the destination. Is always you have to keep working. You have to keep working on a good marriage. You have to keep working on wealth accumulation. You have to keep working on your health and your fitness. You never get to a point where you could just give up. So that's the thing, is developing the habits of learning the consistency, learning the right habits, learning. We talk about three things. It's strength training to boost your metabolism. It's hormone-friendly nutrition to support fat loss. And it is the personalized solutions to work with your body and not against your body. If you're not doing those three things, that weight's going to come off. It's going to be short-lived. It's going to come back with a vengeance. Number two is too quick, too soon. And this is the one that I suffer from, because how? If a little is good, well then a lot must be better, right? Makes sense. Hey, if one workout a day is good, I'll do two. That means I'll 7x my results throughout a week. I'm genius. And it doesn't work like that, unfortunately. I've learned the hard way. Many of my clients have learned the hard way in the past, is that you really don't need to be working out every day. You shouldn't be working out every day. You should only be strength training 2 to 3 times a week is all you need to get the results that you desire. And when I say strength training, what am I saying? I'm not saying cardio. If you think you're going to lose weight through spin classes and the elliptical and jogging and all that, it just doesn't work anymore. Again, that worked in our 20s and our 30s, but now that is not going to repair your metabolism. That is not going to reset your metabolism. Only strength training will. So all you need to do is strength train 2 to 3 times a week. Don't go for that all or nothing principle. Don't think, well, I'll do 2 workouts a day, or I'll do an hour workout. You don't need to do that. If it's the right workout done the right way, and if it's right for you, the weight's just going to come off. The weight's just naturally going to come off, because believe it or not, your body wants to lose the weight. Your body wants to shed that weight. It just needs permission. It just needs you to be able to put everything in line. It always comes down to your hormones, getting your hormones in check, your metabolism elevated, the weight will come, you get the results that you desire, the energy that you need, and the confidence that you finally deserve. I hope that helps. Be great.